pretty big box with a girl.
I'm 5'3.5".
Amanda's 5'3.5". Look how pretty it is. Can you guys see the sparkle? Yes, you can.
Whoa! Check out this nug.
Lesson 1. You should know. Put the Christmas tree stand on the floor. Flow.
Oh, on the flow.
She does it with love. She takes her time, fluffs with love. Okay, some serious progress has been made back here. Amanda's got the bottom part of the tree fluffed out and it looks awesome. There is a crazy amount of glitter, so if you get the same tree, be prepared to manage that glitter. Look how much glitter there is on the floor. What are those? That's piled snow. But look at the good job she does fluffing the tree. Looks like she started to fluff the second level, but kind of stopped to make sure, to plug it in to make sure.
Yeah, I didn't want to take all the time arranging each branch carefully to find that it didn't work in the end.
Alexa, play 'Twas the Night Before Christmas on Spotify.
'Twas the Night Before Christmas by J. May from Chris's Spotify.
'Twas the night before Christmas, went all through the house.
Here's an interesting one. Amanda's aunt made this by hand for us for our wedding. It was a wedding gift. Actually, a really thoughtful gift. I've been using this Aldi bag as a ball sack. Alright guys, we came to Walmart to give Madison a ride. We're gonna get some teal. What color would you call it? Aqua. We're gonna get some aqua ornaments. Some teal. And then we also got some glass ornaments. They remind me of like the Arabian Nights fairy tale books. Alright guys, we're back from Walmart. We totally got two of the same ornament but different colors, and Amanda was handing me ornaments and I thought she wanted me to put them in a basket, and I did, and then when I got home we were kind of like, oops, we got the same thing. They're different on each side. Alright guys, it's time. I'm gonna put the first ornament on the tree. You really don't have to be very critical. You go, hey, I'm putting it on the tree. It's going to go right here in the middle. That one is hand blown glass. Oh yeah, oh yeah. How about that guys? This is our first time ever doing ribbon on the tree. Amanda was like, hey, let's do ribbon on the tree. I bought some ribbon and looked up what to do, and this is just one of the ways to do it, but you
There's
can't.
not a wrong way to do these kinds of things.
You can't mess it up. So if you're doing ribbon like we are, you do the ribbon. I put the first ornament on and then I was like, wait, shouldn't we do the ribbon? Pro tip, cut the ribbon so that your ribbon can go further, because a lot of it's just stuck in the tree. Okay guys, we got ornaments all over this thing. We got this beautiful burlap ring underneath. All that's left is put the top on.
Yeah, it might be leaning.
It is, fix it. Happy November 4th, guys. There's no reason to wait. If you really want to decorate now, go for it. All right, guys, it's the next day. The tree looks beautiful. I'm about to head to the mattress store and make some money. Now, we need to get some presents for under there.